Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bitcoin is pumping and I was very fast right on time to give you Bitcoin update for free on Discord yesterday to buy at 61k and sell at 74k, and Bitcoin is at 64k right now. So check the comment section to join the Discord. Check the top right of the video to know what the private is. And by the way, speaking of private, I have been winning on private as well. Okay, so I gave this trade for meme some few days ago. I bought it here, stopped it here, risked a little bit, and we actually got the pump. We got our 20% on the private. I've actually posted 60% trade on the private, and maybe if you act a little bit fast, you can actually get that trade on the private. It's still down low. It's actually making a bull cross. So back into bonk video. Bonk is doing exceptionally well, and the invalidation is about to happen. So 2273, that's the target. 2273 is where invalidation to go down actually happens. But by the look of things, it does look like the invalidation has already just happened, because you have taken out the stop losses, which are actually right over here. Okay, now this is more like the zone where we confirm a lot of things, because if you take the trend line, we are still making a little bit of that resistance. Okay, so a little bit of that resistance, and that's why I say touching 2273 is going to be much more believable. Now if we do end up coming up there, I'm going to tell you, we're going to be making this pattern right here, right there. I don't even know what the name of the pattern is right now. Call it whatever you want to call it. But if it does end up doing that, then you might actually see bonk moving. Okay, I'm just going to say to be on the safe side that this is a a rounded bottom right there. Yeah, so I'm just going to take this rounded bottom, and you could be looking at a technical target up to nearly 2822. So this is where you probably will be moving up to. And that's pretty much it for the video. Check the comment section to get on Discord and to get freebies sometime, or trade ideas that I post on there and whatnot. So many things can happen on the Discord. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.